Welcome to another collective shopping haul. So this is February's haul, and if you missed January's, this is just a collective haul of some of the things that I have bought throughout the month, or for some reason like received as a gift because this month was Valentine's Day. And some of it will be Disney stuff and some of it won't. And I've kind of been on a buying freeze, so these should be pretty short videos. So let's talk about Valentine's Day. Mr. Mouse Diva got me this really cool, it's like felt card, and the reason he did is because it looks like our Disney, kind of a Lady and the Tramp looking card, and it actually worked out really well for my Lady and the Tramp themed Valentine's dinner that I made for Mr. Mouse Diva, Lakeland, and I. And he couldn't resist. He had to get me a Disney card also. And one of my Valentine's Day presents was, he surprised me with the It's a Small World hat. If you saw both parts of our January wedding anniversary Disney trip, you saw that this was not included. But yet when I filmed the the new merch video for that trip, I was all excited about this hat, but I was on a limited budget. But at some point during the trip, he did sneak in this purchase, and it just says Disney Parks back here. It's a Small World boat tours. I like that it has a variety of colors in it. And I don't have any hats that have like pink, these really pastel pink and greens and stuff, so it gives me another option for to match. Okay, this is something so totally off the wall, but Lakeland bought himself a 3D printer. He's actually been working part-time since he was 14, so over a year now. He's worked at one place. In North Carolina law, a 14 and 15-year-old can work 3 hours a day on a school day, and they're not allowed to work past 7 p.m. Even on the weekends, they're not allowed to work past 7 p.m. On the weekends, they can work more than 3-hour shift. So he has saved money. He bought a 3D printer this month, and he made me something really cool. So you know that we live in the mountains. I love our mountains, but if you look really closely, what is part of these mountains? Yes, he made an SD card holder for me. I normally have 2 to 3 loose SD cards I just lay right on my laptop that I'm always using, and I just think this is just absolutely so cool because I can put this on beside the laptop and it just looks like a mountain scene, but it's actually holding SD cards. So comment below what y'all think about that. Okay guys, you know I'm on a pop buying freeze, but Lakeland's not. So I'm just going to include one of the pops that he got. Later I'll include some more. He's already put those up and I can't get to them. You'll understand why. But we were at Walmart and he found a Walmart exclusive Hulk, and what he thought was interesting about this Hulk was it was purple chrome. So he had to get this, and I think at Walmart theirs are like $8.88. They're Funkos, and all the Marvels are bobbleheads. Okay, yes, I'm on a pop buying freeze, but I actually bought a pop, but it wasn't for me. It was part of Mr. Mouse Diva's Valentine's Day present. In January's, I had already gotten him a couple Valentine's Day presents, and they were in that shopping haul. But oh my gosh, my when we started dating, I was so totally shocked by his choice of music. We do not see eye to eye on music at all. But yeah, I found an Iron Maiden, I got Beast, Eddie and the Beast, and it has a little devil in there, and he's holding fire, and he was so totally excited about this pop. And I keep calling it, Motley Crue. I keep forgetting, because they're not bands I listen to. And Motley Crue will come to my head, and he's like, Iron Maiden. Like, oh my gosh, whatever. So I know there's a couple more. He probably wouldn't mind having them all, but I was like, yeah, I'm only getting one. If I can't buy any pops, I'm getting them for him. Okay, so January trip, I included the OwlCrate subscription box, and I'm gonna go through it really quick and see what comes in this month. And I'm a little worried. You hear that? So either something's broken or they sent me a chain. And I totally forgot what this month's theme is. Let's find out. It is, a power within. Oh, whoa. Oh, nothing's broken. Okay, so there's the top. And we're just gonna go right off the top. Each month they send a pen. This almost looks maybe Native American-ish. I don't have my readers on, and I'm going through this really fast, so if I say something that it isn't, please excuse me. It's that I just can't see. This looks like it has a bumblebee on it, and it's a keychain. And these almost look like tarot cards. I think they're just regular plain cards. But I will go ahead and insert a little freeze frame of this so you can read it. And thank goodness nothing is broken. This is really cool. So this is like a lunch kit. So it has like a spoon and fork. I like this. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, and all the little compartments. It's an OwlCrate exclusive. Okay, I really like this. This is really cool. Okay, I see something in a little bag, and it has it's celestial type. It's got the moon, stars, and is it just like a cleaning cloth? What a witch is just a girl who has realized her power is her own. That's what it says on the back. There's a lot in here. Okay, so we have an additional OwlCrate exclusive Cassandra Clare chain of gold. It looks like just a little, wow, that's really cool. They did. So Fall in Love March 3rd, 2020. So it must be when this book comes out. I'm just assuming. Yep, it is an exclusive sneak peek of the book. So I wonder if that means they're gonna send this in the next, maybe it probably means they're definitely not gonna send this in the next one. Oh, and I got some like little folder. What is this? Oh, it's a bookmark. Little bookmark. Comes in this handy dandy little folder. And then we are on to the book. Before I get to the book though, their magazine, just a little magazine that always has like a crossword puzzle in it, a little interview with the author. It will tell the difference between the cover of our edition. So the book is All the Stars and Teeth by Adeline Grace. And so this is our version of the cover, and this is the public release version of the cover. And next month will be Music of the Night, and it looks like we are going to be getting a candle. We get candles quite a month and quite a lot in OwlCrate. And so and in this, so I love that they always send hardbacks, because I am a hardback freak. I will not buy paperbacks. And soft covers I will basically only buy if it didn't come out in hardback. So this is always a little signed letter from the author. They always include that with the book of choice. Now let's check out, ooh, so this looks like the pen that they sent. See, you gotta always take the jackets off because you never know what the cover, the inside's actually gonna look like, and it's all purple inside. This is going to be the last installment for the February collective haul because today is February 27th, and in 2 days Lakeland and I are off to Walt Disney World. So we're actually gonna have a tiny Walt Disney World haul next month. It might be so tiny that it goes with the collective haul. We'll have to see. So just a few things that I want to add to it. And this is my Route magazine, the February-March issue. I love this magazine. I want to travel Route 66 at some point. I need to just subscribe to this magazine because I actually have to drive like 35 miles to a Barnes & Noble that's a little bit further away because for some reason our Barnes & Noble does not carry this magazine, and you can't get it like grocery store or anything. It's always at Barnes & Noble. So I have to go to this one particular one to get it at the mall. I don't like going to the mall at all. So anyway, my Route 66 magazine, I am about halfway through with it and I am quite enjoying it, just like I do every month. Well, I'll say every month because I don't end up getting up there every month. Well, it doesn't come out every month, but every time they have one, I don't necessarily get up there to get it. But I'd say maybe every other one, maybe at least I get. I went to an antique store because we were out of town one night, and oh, it's so beautiful. So this plate, the Curio and Ives, it was only $3. I'm gonna turn off the light a little bit. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the light here so you can get a better look at it. But I love it because I love winter scenes, like snow scenes, and this one actually has a dog and a red sleigh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see. Let's make it just right. It's kind of hard. I think maybe you can see it good like this. Yeah, I think so. And there's no special markings on the back or anything. It actually says winter down here. They actually had a spring one, and I should have got it. I mean, only $3. But I was just using cash, and actually I was very limited on the cash, and I had to still get lunch. So that was the reason for just one. But yeah, isn't it so pretty? It's gonna look so pretty on the wall. I want to show you something that my friend and subscriber Rachel sent. She actually sent it, oh my gosh, was it 2 months ago or a month ago? Oh, okay, it was last month. It was January. And I'm just now getting around to showing this to you guys. She sent me 3 pens, and she is such a doll. She knows that I love the actual boxes, and it was just sweet of her because now I know like what other pens were in the collection. This is Shanghai pens. Again, what other pens are in the collection. So these are the mystery box pens, and she had gotten some duplicates. Let's see. So these, I'm gonna let y'all see this, and then you'll see what pen I received from her. And let's look at the Food and Wine one. And go ahead and comment below. A few of y'all are going to be like, oh, I know which one Dana is going to want. So comment below which one you think that she sent me. All right. Let's see. So actually, for the Food and Wine, she sent me 2, and I know most of you got it. It is Jiminy Cricket. Isn't he absolutely fantastic? Looking quite dapper there he is. And then the other one she sent was Mr. Duffy. These are really, really nice size pins. And then, oh my gosh, the Shanghai. I can honestly say I'm actually more excited about this one than I am Jiminy Cricket. Probably just because it's Shanghai and it just looks so cool, and it's Chip and Dale. Alright, focus, there we go. I don't know, it's just something about this pen that is just like, I love this pen. So thank you so much, Rachel, for sending those to me, because especially the Food and Wine ones too. I didn't buy any of the mystery boxes this year, so so glad she sent those to me. So again, mwah, mwah, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is it on the February collective haul. Comment below on what your favorite item was, and subscribe so that you can see all the other variety of Mouse Diva videos that go up there. Make sure you check out my playlist, and I will see you at the parks.
Yeah.